In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to automatically save new contacts directly to your iCloud. Saving new contacts to iCloud ensures they are securely backed up and synchronized across all your Apple devices. This means any changes or additions you make are automatically updated everywhere, which reduces the risk of losing contacts due to device loss, damage, or system failures. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the Settings page, navigate onto the option of Contacts. On this option of Default Account, make sure to mark on iCloud. Whenever save any new phone number, it will automatically get saved to my iCloud account. This provides a convenient way to organize and manage contacts from multiple devices without manual effort. That's how easy it is to auto-save new phone numbers directly to your iCloud. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.